Good morning, gophers and wolves. I hope you guys are well and that you had a chance to all watch Pastor Tia's chapel message for you by this point. She posted it on Wednesday, so if you haven't watched it yet, please go and do that now. All right, a poor widow's gift. Jesus and the disciples went to the temple area. They watched the people drop money into the offering box. The rich people put a lot of money into the box, but Jesus saw a poor widow. A widow means that her husband had died. She put 2 small coins into the box. This woman's gift is greater than all the others, Jesus whispered to his disciples. Even though the woman is poor, she gave all of the money she had, and the rich people gave a lot of money, but they still had plenty left over. Jesus wants us to understand that by giving what we have, that's what he wants. Not just what we can give or maybe just a little bit. Give as much as you are able to give, and that's what he desires. We're going to move on to your math today. We're working on putting things into the correct column. So, whenever we put things in the correct column, we have our ones column, our tens column, and our hundreds column. So, if I were to count this, I would go 100, 110, 111. All you're doing is counting how many there are and putting it in the correct place. I will give you an example on my whiteboard. Now remember, you don't need to count all 100 of the little lines. We know how many are there, so we can just follow what they say. So right now I know I have a group of 100, 200. So if my answer box was right here, I would put 200 in the hundreds column. I put 200 and 10, 20, 30, 230, and 31, 32, 33. You just count each group and write that number in the correct column. The biggest one goes hundreds, these are the tens, and those are in the ones. So you're going to do that for these first 4 problems. Count the 100s or the hundreds, the tens, and then all of the ones. Do the same thing for each of them. When you turn it around, what you're going to do is you're going to count them, write your answer so you know what it is, and then draw a line matching it to the correct answer on this side. So figure that out and then draw a line matching them. On the bottom, you're adding your columns together. So you're going just like we did, 100, put that in the ones column or the hundreds column, the 10, put in the tens column, and the 1 in the ones column. I will do the first problem with you that says add 100 plus 10 plus 1. So 100 plus 10 plus 1. What a lot of you want to do is you want to go like this. That is way too big of a number. That is 100,000 and 101. That is not our answer. We just need to move it over, so we put the 100 in the hundreds column, the 10 in the tens column, and the 1 in the ones column. You don't have 100,101, you have 111. So you will do that for all of these questions and you'll to the end, and then you'll be done with your math for today. In your phonics, we are still working on music for phonics. This instrument is called a bagpipe. It's what a lot of Scottish and Irish people use. It's a very interesting looking instrument that sounds beautiful. And we are going to be working with our long O for this bagpipe. or not long O, short O. I'm sorry. So short O. Short O like the word cost. If it makes the short O sound like in cost, you need to circle it. If it doesn't make a short O sound, you can X it off. So long, cost, they sound the same. You would circle it. But the word heart doesn't have an aw sound in it at all. So you put an X over it. I will read these to you and give you your choices. You need to fill the correct choice in. Please use good handwriting, remembering to use that dotted line to help you with your lowercase letters. He played a heart, or he played a song. The song came from his heart, or the song came from his song. The blank woke me up. The lost woke me up. The songbird woke me up. The stronger woke me up, or the long woke me up. Dad is blank than I am. Dad is lost than I am. Dad is songbird than I am. Dad is stronger than I am, or Dad is long than I am. Are you lost? Are you songbird? Are you stronger, or are you long? The line is very lost. The line is very songbird. The line is very stronger, or the line is very long. Number 5, Jesus died on a toss. Jesus died on a cross. Jesus died on a longer, or Jesus died on a frosting. Please blank the ball to me. Please toss the ball to me. Please cross the ball to me. Please longer the ball to me, or please frosting the ball to me. Number 7, my cake will have white toss. My cake will have white cross. My cake will have white longer, or my cake will have white frosting. Number 8, I cannot run much toss. I cannot run much cross. I cannot run much longer, or I cannot run much frosting. All right. I hope you have a wonderful weekend. Please remember to do your reading and remind your parents to email Miss Janie or myself by 6:30 so we can finish up the school day. Have a wonderful night. Bye.